Top 5 apps like MaxAromacom reviews that actually work today. MaxAromacom is known for premium fragrances, but most people get this wrong by buying without verifying authenticity. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide trusted perfume stores, verified reviews, and secure shipping. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Sephora offers verified perfumes with user and expert reviews. Users appreciate authentic products and reliable delivery. Second, Fragrancex focuses on discounted designer fragrances with verified authenticity. Customers love clear descriptions and secure checkout. Third, PerfumeCam provides verified luxury fragrances with ratings. Users report fast shipping and trustworthy products. Fourth, Ulta offers curated perfume selections with verified reviews. App users value safe purchases and detailed product info. Finally, Scentbird subscription service for verified samples. Users praise trying before committing to full-size bottles. Pro tip: always check seller authenticity, product reviews, and return policies. This ensures your fragrance purchase is safe and satisfying. These 5 apps help you explore, compare, and purchase perfumes confidently.